Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So just to improve our channel's audio quality, we've got some mic. So it's the BM800. So let's see how to set it up. And this mic costs 2000, and this is a really great mic for if you want to start a YouTube channel or a podcast videos and stuff. And this is a flexible mic, so you can actually pull it over to you. So if you can see there, actually that one right, that thing hanging out, that mic is I actually got one already that's on my table. So just in case if my mother also takes classes, she might also need a mic. So I got a new one for me, and let's give it to her and let's check how to fix this in my table. Let's go into the video. So first let's just unbox all of this stuff. So first the microphone package, open this by this way, just get it out. Okay, they've got a black microphone, which is great because this company gives color microphones of different color. I was thinking to get black, and yeah, I got the black. So put this thing. Oh man, the microphone is cold to touch. Yeah, of course it would be because it's a metal product. It's cold. Okay, now keep the microphones aside and let us keep them aside, the things and stuff. Now let's unbox this guy, which we are going to be fixing on the table. So this is the stand which we have here. Most people call it the arm, so let's keep it with the arm. So the arm is here. So this is the arm. This is what we're flexing at. So let's just open this and keep it aside. Let's also just get this out of the package. We got this out of the package, and this is how this looks. And last but not the least, this is the stand, or the pop shield, actually, like what they like to call it. This is the pop shield, and this helps on reducing the air, or while thinking when people take breathe the next breathe. So yeah, this thing reduces air to go in contact with the mic. So let's see how to set it up. Let's go to my table. So fine, first thing, you take the clamp, put it on your table like this. So just get this and fix it up tightly like this, like it's sturdy now. So on this hole, let's just put the stand for the mic. Let's do. So this end must be coming on the hole over there, and this end is used to actually put the mic in. So let's plug it in and put this end in. Yeah, and then you get this thing up like this. So we have to put a needle, like a stuff, in order to get it out of the way. So this is how you can get it, and here you have to okay, now this is sturdy, it's not going to come out soon. So let's just take this guy, and why shouldn't we fix the mic? So let's get the mic. So first you have to take the mic stand, and then you would actually have to do this thing. This is what goes into this, so let's just do it. And these are some locks which help us make the mic stable. So we got to put this mic into this. So just so as I told you before, this is the BM800. So you got to plug this in, like you got to put this in. So you got to expand this. So after this is the mic. So we have physical cables. This cable which actually plugs into the mic or plugs onto the mic, and this is a USB, a full USB cable which plugs onto your computer. In this case, as you guys would like, the HP Pavilion X360, which is on my desk for a while now, for a week or so, if you can see that. It's a great laptop, you guys suggested me, and yeah, thankful for that. So let's just plug on this thing. What is that? So yeah, this is the final look onto the mic, and this is how you set up the mic. Thank you for watching. See you guys in another video. Until then, this is me, Vikram. Stay safe, stay in peace.